Hello, dear friends and family. Hope everybody's doing well. I love this nature. I love the people. I love this world. I love myself. I just can't believe how beautiful this nature is. No matter if it's raining, sunshine, cloudy, it is just absolutely stunning. And I love my morning ritual that I do. Go out for a walk, have a nice fresh air, uh, feed my body and feed my mind. Um, Likewise, I always win my day. Thank you. I encourage you all to um, make a habit of getting your body movement and train your body and mind so that you will win your day too. Love you all.